Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Ayatulusna Ramadhani. In here, I want to presentation SNBT question. The index for Gen Z reading interest nowadays needs to be increased for several reasons as follows. Firstly, Gen Z in Indonesia is in the bottom 10 countries with low literacy levels. A survey conducted by the Program for International Student Assessment and released by the Organization for Economic CO Appreciation and Development in 2019 proves that Indonesia is in the lowest position. Secondly, in contrast to the first region, during the pandemic, the literacy rate of Gen Z in Indonesia experienced a drastic increase. The data is taken from the National Library of Indonesia result in 2020 showing that Indonesia IKM Index Kegemaran Membaca has increased. In 2016, Indonesia IKM score was 26.5 last year. The score reached 55 74. This increase in IKM score was allegedly due to pressure of content that attracted the attention of Gen Z during social restriction due to pandemic. Thirdly, Gen Z in Indonesia prefers visual reading materials because they can focus on various activities or multitask simultaneously. According to Millward Brown 2017, it turned out the Gen Z prefers visual contents over written text. Visual content is more accessible for Gen Z to escape because it makes them less focused on one activity. Gen Z, who tend to multitask, can do other activities way than read visual contents. The solution to increasing interest in Gen Z writing, inserting illustration in every written work, because naturally the brain will be more interesting picture than writing, especially if the image is in color or has a particular icon that unique and interesting. Images are crucial to existing reader of the Z generation to understand the dead present various texts, especially in scientific that is complex and has many number if only profit in word form. But people will skip over it. This is what caused many hoax to spread because people only read the title without understanding the content of the writing products. Question: what does the writer intend to do with the text above? A. To show the effect of reading various scores. B. To give information on the reading habit of Gen Z and their literacy knowledge. To analyze the destructive impact of reading of Gen Z to their literacy knowledge. D. To mention why reading is essential for all people to support their literacy knowledge. E. To give reason for the importance of reading Gen Z to support their literacy knowledge. Question: to show the effect of reading various sources, to give information on the reading habit of Gen Z and their literacy technology, to analyze the destructive impact of reading Gen Z to their literacy knowledge, to mention why reading is essential for all people to support their literacy knowledge, to give reason for the importance of reading for Gen Z to support their literacy knowledge. So I think is the answer is B. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.